Good morning, welcome to Health and Social Care Department within City College Southampton. Within this department we run multiple courses. We run level 2 and level 3 courses. So I'll talk about the level 2 courses first. The level 2 courses we have all internally marked, which basically means there is no exams. So you've got 8 units of work that you will undertake, and one of these units is actually part of work experience. So it allows you yourself to have a chance to go out and do work experience within industry, where we can get you out there. At the end of the 8 units of the course, you will then be given an overall grade, and it can be pass, merit or distinction. To help you with your progression onto level 3, you normally need to achieve a minimum of a merit grade overall. And at the end of the year, you will come away with the equivalent on passing the course successfully with 3 A-levels, the equivalent of 3 A-levels. This will allow you to progress further into industry itself or into university, where you can go and undertake your courses in paediatric nurse, your maternity nurse, paramedic, emergency medical technician, social worker, psychologist. Any of those courses you can get into university for. 95% of universities up and down the country accept and fully acknowledge the BTEC qualification that you will be achieving over 2 years on the level 3 course. Within the work experience for both level 2 and level 3, level 2s have to complete a minimum of 60 hours. And with the level 3s, you have to complete a minimum of 100 hours each year in work experience. In your level 3, you will do 2 different venues. So if you do a primary school in year 1, in year 2, you're not allowed to do any form of academic venue, but you would go more towards a social venue or a hospital venue to do your second year in work experience. So the staff that are teaching on the health and social care have got industry acknowledged from the industry. I have got 9 years experience as a paramedic, but 30 years experience as a medic overall. We have other teachers who have been early years managers, so nursery managers, nurses, and we have lots of external speakers coming into the college. We have nurses, we have social workers, we have police officers as well that come in and talk to the students about different values a part of mental health, linked into mental health. So we have lots of industry professionals coming into the college and chat with the learners on the course. Because we have multiple units covering a multitude of areas, it covers a wide expanse of different areas within both health and the social care environments. So when we go out and we do visits or trips, we talk and we get a chance to go and see how a care home or a day centre is managed, and you help support those in those venues for a day. And it might be as simple as sitting down and having a conversation with them, making them a cup of tea, taking them their cup of tea or their lunch across to them, and you're trying to get hands-on experience and seeing what industry is like, which helps with your decision making to whether you want to go to university or out into industry itself. And with either the level 2 or the level 3 qualifications, you can walk out into health and social care industry and get a job quite quickly. So the type of people that we're looking for within the health and social care are people who are caring, they're thoughtful, they can be professional, they're compassionate, very good at communication, and it doesn't mean to say on your mobile phone, it's face-to-face communication. And more importantly, be a good listener, because if you listen, you can find out what an issue a certain patient or client has, that you can then support them with, guide and facilitate their needs. And if you've got some of these attributes, we can work on those which are your stronger ones. Those that aren't so strong, we can develop them even further and help you get to a very good starting platform for if you wanted to go down in any career path. So as a carer, as a social worker, as a healthcare assistant within the hospitals or even on the ambulances, in care homes themselves, care home managers, Personal carer as well is another avenue that people don't seem to know a lot about, and this is where you would be working on a one-to-one basis with an individual client, so many hours a day as contracted. So for more details on the course, the entry requirements, the types of units that we'll be covering, and how in-depth the course can be, then you can go to the college website. You can find all the information online. There will be both contact numbers and email addresses for you to use, and also if you have any questions that you want to ask, then please email the contact information and the questions will be answered.